Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pickled onions and jalapenos. To begin, you will need fresh red onions and crisp jalapenos, along with a few pantry staples. This process is surprisingly simple and yields incredibly flavorful results. We will walk through each step, from preparing your vegetables to crafting the perfect pickling brine. Get ready to elevate your meals with these vibrant, tangy, and slightly spicy additions. It is a fantastic way to preserve and enjoy these versatile ingredients. For our pickled delights, you will need 2 medium-sized red onions and about 6 to 8 fresh jalapenos. Begin by thinly slicing your red onions into delicate rings, approximately 1/8 of an inch thick. Next, slice your jalapenos into uniform rounds, also about 1/8 of an inch. Remember to wear gloves when handling jalapenos to avoid irritation. Finally, ensure your glass jars are thoroughly cleaned and sterilized, ready for their flavorful contents. Now, let's create our flavorful brine. In a saucepan, combine 1 cup of water, 1 cup of white vinegar, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, and 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil over medium heat, stirring continuously until both the sugar and salt have completely dissolved. Once dissolved, carefully pour the hot brine directly over your prepared onions and jalapenos, ensuring they are fully submerged in the liquid. Once the brine has been poured, allow your jars of pickled onions and jalapenos to cool completely to room temperature on your countertop. This cooling process is crucial before sealing. Once cool, secure the lids tightly and transfer them to your refrigerator. They will be ready to enjoy in just a few hours, but their flavors will deepen over 24 hours. These delicious pickled vegetables will stay fresh for up to 2 weeks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.